Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and success, while others struggle to make ends meet? It's easy to assume that it's simply a matter of luck or talent, but the truth is, there's often a key factor that sets successful people apart: a burning desire for wealth. Desire is the fuel that drives us to pursue our goals and overcome obstacles. Without it, even the most talented and capable individuals may find themselves stagnating or falling short of their potential. But how can you cultivate a burning desire for wealth, especially if you don't feel particularly motivated or ambitious right now? In this video, we'll explore the power of desire and how you can tap into it to achieve greater financial success. We'll discuss the importance of understanding your why and creating a clear plan for achieving your goals, as well as techniques for staying motivated and overcoming obstacles along the way. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth-building efforts to the next level, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable strategies for cultivating a burning desire for wealth. So, let's dive in. Importance of desire in achieving success. Desire is a crucial factor in achieving success because it is the driving force that propels us towards our goals. It is the intense longing, craving, or yearning for something that inspires us to take action, to work hard, and to persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks. Without desire, we may lack the motivation and focus needed to succeed, even if we have the skills and knowledge required. Desire gives us the energy and enthusiasm to pursue our dreams, and it helps us to stay focused on our goals even when faced with obstacles or distractions. Furthermore, desire can help us to develop a positive attitude towards our goals and ourselves. When we desire something strongly, we tend to believe that we can achieve it, which in turn helps us to develop the confidence and self-belief needed to succeed. Overall, the importance of desire in achieving success cannot be overstated. It is the driving force that gives us the energy, motivation, and focus needed to pursue our goals, and it helps us to stay positive and confident in the face of challenges. Understanding your why. Understanding your why is crucial to achieving success because it gives you a strong sense of purpose and direction. Your why is your reason for pursuing a particular goal, and it goes beyond just the superficial benefits that come with achieving it. When you have a clear understanding of your why, it can help you stay motivated and committed to your goal, especially during times when you face obstacles or setbacks. It can also help you make better decisions and stay focused on the actions that matter most in achieving your goal. To understand your why, ask yourself questions like, why is this goal important to me? Or, what do I hope to achieve by reaching this goal? The answers to these questions can help you identify your underlying motivations and values. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, your why might be that you want to create a better life for yourself and your family, have more control over your career, or make a positive impact in your community. By understanding your why, you can keep these motivations at the forefront of your mind as you work towards your goal, and use them as a source of inspiration and motivation when you face challenges. Understanding your why is a critical step in achieving success because it helps you stay focused, motivated, and committed to your goal. By identifying your underlying motivations and values, you can develop a clear sense of purpose and direction, and use them as a source of inspiration and motivation to help you achieve your goals. The power of visualization. The power of visualization is a technique that involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcome. It can be a powerful tool for achieving success because it helps you to visualize the future you want to create, which in turn helps you to focus your efforts and energy on the actions that will bring that future to life. By visualizing your desired outcome, you can also program your subconscious mind to work towards that outcome. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined, so when you vividly visualize your desired outcome, it can trigger your subconscious mind to start working towards making that vision a reality. Visualization can also help you to overcome limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that might be holding you back. By consistently visualizing your desired outcome, you can start to believe in the possibility of achieving it, which in turn can help you to take action towards making it a reality. To practice visualization, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in the future, having achieved your desired outcome. Use all of your senses to create a vivid mental picture of what it looks like, sounds like, and feels like to have achieved your goal. Try to make your visualization as detailed and realistic as possible, and focus on the positive emotions that come with achieving your desired outcome. You can also repeat affirmations or positive statements to yourself as you visualize, such as, "I am successful," or "I am capable of achieving my goals." In summary, the power of visualization is a technique that can help you to focus your efforts, program your subconscious mind, overcome limiting beliefs, and stay motivated towards achieving your goals. By consistently visualizing your desired outcome, you can create a clear picture of what you want to achieve and start taking action towards making it a reality. Steps to creating a plan for achieving wealth. Creating a plan for achieving wealth can help you to identify the steps you need to take to reach your financial goals. Here are some steps to consider when creating a plan for achieving wealth. Set specific financial goals. Identify the specific amount of money you want to accumulate, as well as the time frame in which you want to achieve it. Be realistic and set goals that are challenging but achievable. Create a budget. Determine your monthly income and expenses, and create a budget that allows you to save and invest a portion of your income towards your financial goals. Reduce expenses. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying expensive clothing. Redirect the money you save towards your savings and investment goals. Increase income. Explore ways to increase your income, such as starting a side hustle or negotiating a raise at work. The more income you have, the more you can save and invest towards your financial goals. Invest wisely. Research different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and identify the ones that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. Track progress. Regularly review your progress towards your financial goals and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Celebrate your successes along the way and use any setbacks as an opportunity to learn and improve. In summary, creating a plan for achieving wealth involves setting specific financial goals, creating a budget, reducing expenses, increasing income, investing wisely, and tracking progress. By following these steps and staying committed to your plan, you can achieve financial freedom and security over time. Techniques for staying motivated and focused on your goal. Staying motivated and focused on your goals is crucial to achieving success. Here are some techniques that can help you to stay motivated and focused. Break down your goal into smaller, achievable tasks. Large goals can be overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks can make them feel less daunting. Focus on completing one task at a time, and celebrate your progress along the way. Set deadlines. Setting deadlines for each task can help you to stay accountable and focused. Make sure your deadlines are realistic and achievable, but also challenging enough to keep you motivated. Visualize your success. Visualization can be a powerful tool for staying motivated and focused on your goal. Imagine yourself having achieved your goal, and use that vision as a source of inspiration and motivation. Stay organized. Keeping track of your progress and staying organized can help you to stay focused on your goal. Use a planner, calendar, or app to schedule your tasks and track your progress. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surrounding yourself with people who support and encourage your goals can help you to stay motivated and focused. Avoid people who are negative or unsupportive. Take breaks and practice self-care. Taking breaks and practicing self-care can help you to stay motivated and focused in the long run. Make sure to take breaks when you need them, and prioritize activities that help you to recharge, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Staying motivated and focused on your goals requires breaking down your goal into smaller tasks, setting deadlines, visualizing success, staying organized, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and practicing self-care. By using these techniques, you can stay motivated and focused on achieving your goals over the long term. Overcoming obstacles. Overcoming obstacles is a critical part of achieving any goal, including financial success. Here are some strategies that can help you to overcome obstacles and stay on track towards your financial goals. Identify the obstacle. The first step in overcoming an obstacle is to identify it. Be honest with yourself about what's holding you back, whether it's a lack of knowledge or skills, fear, procrastination, or external factors such as economic downturns or unexpected expenses. Develop a plan. Once you've identified the obstacle, develop a plan for how to overcome it. Break down the obstacle into smaller, more manageable tasks, and create a timeline for completing them. Be specific about what you need to do and when, and hold yourself accountable for following through on your plan. Seek help. Don't be afraid to seek help if you need it. Consider reaching out to a mentor, coach, or financial advisor who can provide guidance and support as you work to overcome your obstacles. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for overcoming obstacles. Focus on the progress you've made, rather than dwelling on setbacks or failures. Use positive self-talk and affirmations to stay motivated and confident in your ability to overcome obstacles. Learn from setbacks. Setbacks and failures are a natural part of the process of overcoming obstacles. Rather than letting them discourage you, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Analyze what went wrong and what you can do differently in the future to avoid similar setbacks. In summary, overcoming obstacles is a critical part of achieving financial success. By identifying obstacles, developing a plan, seeking help, staying positive, and learning from setbacks, you can overcome any obstacle and stay on track towards your financial goals. Remember, persistence and determination are key to achieving success, even in the face of obstacles. Now that you've learned about the power of desire, the importance of understanding your why, the role of visualization, creating a plan for achieving wealth, and overcoming obstacles, it's time to take action towards your goals. Don't just let this information be a passive experience, take action and implement what you've learned. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that align with your desires and values. Then, create a plan and take consistent action towards achieving those goals. Remember, success requires persistence, determination, and hard work. Don't let obstacles or setbacks discourage you. Use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Stay motivated, focused, and surround yourself with supportive people who will encourage you along the way. So, what are you waiting for? Take action towards your goals today, and start cultivating a burning desire for wealth and success. The power is within you. If you found this content valuable and informative, please consider subscribing to this channel to receive more insights and tips on personal finance, wealth creation, and achieving your goals. By subscribing, you'll be notified of new videos and content that can help you on your journey towards financial success. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.